For more on that action, I want to bring on Yahoo Finance's chart master, Jared Blikre, with the latest. Jared?
Well, let's go straight to the charts. And I'm looking at the Dow right now, off, as you said, about 700 points. Pretty unusual to have a big price loss on the first trading day of the year. In fact, you'd have to go back to 1932 to have a worse day, first trading day of the year for the Dow. And by the way, Dow was down 8% that day. Not the best time to be trading. But let's get into the markets. Here's the NASDAQ 100 heat map. And the losses are steepening for some of these big names. You can see Apple off nearly 4%. Microsoft and Amazon off more than 3%. Tesla maintaining some green here, off of its highs, but that's good enough. 720 is another record high for that company. And also, let's take a look at the travel space. This began in the red, and we've just seen a lot of these names get deeper into the red as the day progresses. Norwegian Cruise Lines is off 6%, and we can also see that American Airlines is off nearly 4%. Just taking a quick look at the sector action, energy is the outperformer, but still in the red by 0.5%, and then industrials, real estate, and tech, and utilities, and communication services, all of those are underperforming and off more than 2%.
And Jared, we're also watching DoorDash and Airbnb. Big sell-off there, especially with Airbnb down about almost 5% after a number of brokerages initiated coverage. It certainly doesn't look like it's a good one, at least for investors.
No, we got that initiation lockup finally taken off today. So all the big underwriters who helped underwrite the Airbnb IPO, they're weighing in today. So Susquehanna is rating it positive. They have a price target of 180. They're saying premium asset that deserves a premium valuation, a clear leader in short-term rentals with, quote, plenty of runway for growth. Also saying that while Booking and Expedia have growing alternative accommodation businesses, they are not major threats as Airbnb's game gives an enduring advantage. So you can see Airbnb is off about 4.74% today. Just looking at its performance since its IPO, you can see off of its highs there, but still well off its IPO price. Now, just taking a look at DoorDash as well, that's coming off of the lockout for initiations. And we're seeing Piper Sandler come in with a neutral and price target of 150. And just a quick mention there, DoorDash has the opportunity to achieve super app status in the doorstep delivery market with its business model preferred to Uber. Now, DoorDash is off about 1.85%, still holding on to gains of 37% from its IPO, but well off of its highs. And a lot of times that's what happens. These guys tend to undercut their IPO price or at least their first day of trading, and then you get back in at some point. Hope that's some good market timing advice for everybody.
No, absolutely. At some point, always a good timeline to keep in mind there. Jared Blikre, appreciate that.